Hey there, English learners! Welcome back to Motive English. Today, we're clearing up a common confusion. Everyday versus everyday. They look almost the same, right? But they have different meanings. Let's break it down. Every day, with a space, is a phrase that means each day or daily. It's an adverbial phrase, means it tells us when something happens. Examples. I go for a walk every day. She practices English every day. See? We're talking about something that happens each day. A quick trick. Try replacing every day with each day. If the sentence still makes sense, you're using it correctly. I go for a walk each day. Yes, it works. Now, what about every day? One word. Every day, one word, is an adjective. It means common or ordinary. Example, these are my everyday shoes, means my regular shoes. Dealing with traffic is an everyday problem. See the difference? Everyday describes a noun, shoes, problem, routine, etc. Common mistake alert. I go to school every day. It should be every day. This is my everyday outfit. It should be everyday outfit. Remember, if you're talking about when something happens, use every day, 2 words. If you're talking about something ordinary or usual, use every day, 1 word. Try making your own sentences using every day and every day in the comments below. I'll check them for you. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. See you in the next video.